In this video, we're going to show you how you can restart your iPhone step by step. If this video does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more iPhone content. If your iPhone is, for example, acting up, restarting it can often fix that issue. Here's exactly how you can do this. Go ahead and quickly press the volume up button and then simply go ahead and press and release the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the side button, aka the power button, and make sure you do those 3 steps in quick succession. You need to immediately press and hold, and then go ahead and press and hold on that power button. And what it'll do is if you keep holding that power button, your screen's going to turn black and the Apple logo is going to appear. Once you see that logo, go ahead and release the button and your phone is now going to fully restart. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Your device should now be working normally after that restart ends. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials like this. Have a great day.